Alrighty, so it is the big day. Got my package from Sweetwater today. Why don't we open it up and see what we got inside? Gonna switch the camera here. Let's see. Alright. So far, I'm impressed with Sweetwater's packing. We got lots of insulation around it. We have our thank you for your business Sweetwater card. We have the ubiquitous bag of candy that Sweetwater sends with every order that they have. Let's see. More packing. More packing. And a box within the box. Let's get this out of the way. This right here shows that Sweetwater's been in it, and they did their 55-point inspection, making sure everything was good with everything. Alrighty. And within that comes in their very nice gig bag. Alrighty. So, the big moment. My nipples are hard. There is the PRS Guitar Afro. Yikes. Alrighty. And there it is. I'm going to turn on a better light here in a second so we can get more of that blue. There it is. It's actually a darker blue than I thought. I like it better than the pictures in the color. This is this here is your little inspection card for the 55-point inspection. And what they check is, let's see, okay, check all the goodies. That, alrighty. Alright, click, seems to be looking good. Coil tap, coil tap. Everything's nice and smooth. Alright, we're going to flip it over and look on the other side here. Oh, that's a lot better looking on the back than I thought it was going to look. Good. Alrighty. And there it is on the back side. So I'm really excited. I'm so excited. More video to come.